welcome. Thank you for joining me. It's just great to see you. Today I'm going to be building some structures for vine-loving plants in the garden. So I'm going to build a structure for tomatoes and also for other climbers like squash and cucumbers. So as you can see, I have two different planter beds and both of them have a corner piece. So I'm going to make use of those two corner pieces and also just kind of give this some height and give this whole area some visual interest in a way that makes sense and feels balanced. So we've now got these pieces stuck in the ground and right now they're freestyling, but I'm going to tie together the tops for additional, structural integrity. Well, the tomato spirals went in real easy, and the bamboo, not so much. It's not really a sharp, spiky bottom, and so I have pre-dug some holes. I have them both planted now, and I'm ready to tie off the tops and create a sturdy tower. Okay, so I have successfully tied this off, and what I'm doing is just tying it loosely to start, just to make sure that things feel in alignment, right? That it might want a little tweak one way or another. I don't want it to be like a leaning teepee. I want it to be nice and straight and centered. That's looking good. And so just walk around, check all four sides, right? Make sure everything feels good, and then tighten up from there. I'm also going to go ahead and just pop a second one on for good measure, possibly even a third. And you can see I'm doing a daisy chain with zip ties. So this is like super not fancy stuff, right? But whatever you have lying around, you can make use of and not have to go to the store and spend any more money and still get the job done. Tower number 2, check. Got her done. Let's have a little walk around and make sure, she's not leaning on one side. That might have a little bit of a lean. Let's see if we can just pull that over a little bit. There was a really nice natural point where everything came together here. So that is this configuration. It's pretty darn straight, if I do say so. So here we go. We've got our tomato tower all built. We've got the tomatoes now planted, and as they grow, each will attach to a leg of the tower to help them grow strong and sturdy. Same over here. We've got our zucchini tower, and the seeds that we planted at the bottom of it have now come up. So we've got these beautiful little yellow zucchini plants starting to grow, and the tower is there in place to help support their growth. Thank you so much for joining me today. It was a pleasure to share my knowledge with you, and I hope you found some information useful. If you like the kind of content I'm providing, please hit the like or subscribe button. It's much appreciated. And until then, happy gardening.